Welcome to the funeral program site, questions and answers video series. Today's question is, what size are funeral booklets? When putting together a funeral program, often more room is needed, in order to contain all of the photos and information the family wants to include. More room may be needed within the traditional funeral program, which is printed on one sheet of paper, front and back. A funeral booklet is comprised of 2 or more pages with a fold down the center, or what is also referred to as a bifold. A funeral booklet can come in 3 sizes of letter, legal or tabloid. The size you choose is strictly based on personal preference and can also be dictated by the amount of contents for inclusion. When folded, the letter size measures 5.5 by 8.5 inches. The legal size booklet measures 7.5 by 8.5 inches, and the tabloid size measures 8.5 by 11 inches. Regardless of the size you choose, funeral booklets do add a complexity to the creation, due to the multiple pages. The funeral booklet must be formatted accordingly in order to minimize confusion and print correctly. The funeral program site offers funeral booklet templates already formatted as an 8-sided program or on 2 sheets of paper, printed front and back. You can add as many pages as you need to complete your booklet. Thanks for watching. Check out our selection today, only available at thefuneralprogramsite.com.